What's up, you guys? It's me, Technology Media, and I am super excited that this arrived in the mail today. And anyway, this is the Red by Kiss handleless blow dryer. This is the 2200 watt one. And I was expecting I'll get the 1875 watt one. And anyhow, this was only $25 because I ordered on Amazon Friday. Then I clicked and I had made up another Amazon Prime so I get a free trial phone so I can order more stuff without paying for it. But I'm paying for that thing, but this is it. If I knew this was gonna come with this, I wouldn't even bought the one I bought at the beauty supply store. Oh, like this can fit on my. And it comes with instructions on all the different blow dryers. And the reason I ordered this one was that a lot of people said it's stretched they hand real good. If not, it strained it. And I was very excited when I seen this on here because I just bought one of these for this blow dryer, but I didn't think it was gonna come with it. In my next video, I'll be testing it out. If you like this video, you can rate, comment, or subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.